Campion College is represented by Justin Coleman, Marco Mitchell, Charles Michael Buchanan, and Ayana Clare. Rusea's High is represented by Tyreek Campbell, Michaelia Allen, Kimari Martin, and Ronika Robinson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Rusea's High won. They decided to go first, so we will begin with Rusea's High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock. Rusea's, we begin with literature. Who is the author of the novels Beloved, Song of Solomon, and The Bluest Eye?
Jean Rees.
Incorrect. Toni Morrison. Literature for Campion. Who is the author of the novels No Name in the Street, The Fire Next Time, and If Beale Street Could Talk? Incorrect. James Baldwin. International Affairs for Rusea's. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
You have it.
Ukraine.
Correct. International Affairs for Campion. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bulgaria.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage for Rusea's. In which century was the Spanish Town Cathedral in St. Catherine originally built?
15th, 17th.
The 16th century.
The 16th century.
Incorrect. The 17th century. Jamaican Heritage for Campion. In which century was the flat bridge in St. Catherine originally built?
16th century. 16th century.
Incorrect. The 18th century. French. Rusea's, what does the verb parler mean?
To walk. To walk.
To walk.
Incorrect. To talk. French. Campion. What does the verb trouver mean?
To find.
Correct. Music for Rusea's. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Everyone dance on the floor. She came back.
Barrington Levy.
Barrington Levy.
Incorrect. Beresford Hammond. Music for Campion. Listen to this clip and identify the singer.
A pair of shoes and me no have it. Me a go budget, me no deal with them the same thing.
Pinchers.
Incorrect. Tiger. Art for Rusea's. Which 19th century artist painted the work Almond Blossoms?
Claude Monet.
Claude Monet.
Incorrect. Vincent van Gogh. Art for Campion. Which 16th century artist painted the piece Dying Slave?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Incorrect. Michelangelo. Rusea's Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this movie director.
Director.
Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep.
Incorrect. Jane Campion. Theatre and Cinema for Campion. Look at the monitor. Identify this movie director.
Steven Spielberg.
Correct. And history for Rusea's. Who led the Mexican Revolution in 1910?
Mexican Revolution.
1910. Francisco Franco.
Francisco Franco.
No, Francisco I. Madero. History for Campion. Against whom did Francisco I. Madero lead the Mexican Revolution in 1910?
Porfirio Diaz.
Correct. And sports for Rusea's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Mike McCollum.
Incorrect. Lennox Lewis. Sports for Campion. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Lloyd Hannigan.
No, Larry Holmes. And physics for Rusea. A current of 3 amps passes through an electric circuit for 5 minutes and dissipates 1,800 joules of energy. What is the EMF of the source?
EMF 3 amps. 5 minutes.
1800.
Joules.
3 volts.
3 volts. Incorrect. 2 volts. Physics for Campion. An engine draws 30 amps of current when connected to a 100-volt source. What is the approximate power consumed by the engine in horsepower?
First horsepower, 3,000, so it'll be 4 horsepower.
4 horsepower.
Correct. Spanish. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Campion College on 5 and Rusea High on 1. When we come back, it'll be time for our speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.